Do you ever wish you had a magic money tree, one that could turn even your smallest savings into something substantial? Well, you're in luck, because in this financial adventure, we're going to unveil 12 enchanting ways to grow your money over time. Think of them as spells from the wizardry of finance, and they work their magic even if you're starting with a tiny pot of gold. So grab your cloak, and let's explore these mystical avenues to financial success. Imagine your pocket change transforming into a treasure chest. Think of your every penny as a seed that can sprout into a money tree. It's not a fairy tale, it's the magic of compounding, and it's our first stop on this journey to financial wizardry. 1. Compounding assets, your magical money tree. Think of compounding as a magical money tree. Imagine you have a tree, and every year it grows more fruit. Those fruits represent your money. The more money you put in, the bigger the tree grows and the more fruit it bears. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even a little can turn into something significant. For instance, if you save $100 and it grows by 7% annually, after 10 years, you'd have around $196, $72. That's the magic of compounding. 2. Stock market investments. Owning a piece of companies. The stock market is like a marketplace where you can buy pieces of your favorite companies. When you buy a share, a piece of a company, you become a part owner. Over time, if the company does well, the value of your shares goes up. Imagine buying a share of a company for $50, and in a few years, it's worth $100. You've doubled your money. 3. Real estate investments. Houses and apartments. Ever thought about buying a house, apartment, or land? It's like an investment. As more people need places to live, the value of your property increases. You can earn money by renting it out, and if you make improvements, you can sell it for a profit. It's like planting a seed in real estate that can grow over time. 4. Mutual funds and ETFs. Easy diversification. Mutual funds and ETFs are like having a financial wizard do the work for you. They mix different types of investments like stocks and bonds into one magic pot. The best part is, any profits they make get reinvested, helping your money grow over time. It's like having someone sprinkle growth dust on your money. 5. Dividend-paying stocks. Shareholder bonuses. Some companies give you bonuses just for owning their shares. It's like being rewarded for being a shareholder. You can take these bonuses as cash or use them to buy more shares. This creates a snowball effect, and over time, you'll have more and more shares and money. 6. Bonds and fixed income investments. Steady earnings. Bonds are like loans you give to governments or companies. In return, they pay you interest. The cool part is, this interest piles up over time, providing you with a steady income. Bonds are often more stable than stocks, making them a reliable way to grow your money. 7. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets. The future of finance. Think of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as the future of money. They use cool technology called blockchain, and they can go up in value. Just remember, they can also go down, so be cautious. Imagine buying $100 worth of Bitcoin and seeing it grow to $200 over a few years. That's the potential here. 8. 401k and retirement accounts, future savings. These accounts are like magical piggy banks for your retirement. You put money in, sometimes with help from your employer, and it grows without being taxed. You can't touch it until you retire, so it's like planting seeds now to harvest later. 9. Business ownership. Your money-making machine. Turning your passion or skills into a business is like creating your very own money-making machine. Your business can generate income and grow over time, creating lasting wealth. Imagine starting a small business that becomes a big success, bringing in more and more money. 10. Educational investments. Invest in yourself. This one's a bit like planting seeds in your brain. Investing in your education and skills makes you more valuable in the job market. It can lead to better paying jobs, promotions, and even side gigs, increasing your income year after year. 11. Health, your foundation for success. Your physical and mental health are the foundation for all your money-making adventures. Being healthy means you can work better, make smart decisions, and seize opportunities. Plus, it lowers medical expenses and stress, which helps your financial well-being. 12. Precious metals and commodities, safe havens. Think about investing in precious metals like gold and silver, or resources like oil and agricultural products. These can be a safe place for your money, especially during uncertain times. They tend to go up in value over time, serving as a store of value. Just like you might save something valuable for the future, these assets can be your financial safety net. And there you have it, the treasure map to your very own financial wonderland. It's a realm where the pennies in your pocket can indeed transform into a treasure chest. You don't need a magic wand, just a dash of financial wisdom. Each of these 12 enchanting ways is like a spell from the wizardry of finance, and they all work their magic, no matter how small your starting pot of gold may be. From the mesmerizing world of compounding to the alluring allure of owning shares in your favorite companies, this journey is filled with opportunities to make your money grow. So, as you traverse the mystical avenues of financial success, remember that your dreams of financial security are not fairy tales. They are achievable, practical, and within your grasp. As you venture forth, let every penny feel like a seed, ready to sprout into your very own money tree. Stay with us on this extraordinary adventure through the land of wealth and financial mastery. Whether it's stocks, real estate, businesses, or simply investing in yourself, each path holds the promise of a brighter, more prosperous future. Embrace this financial magic and let your money work wonders for you. Now, as you embark on your financial quest, may your pockets be heavy with opportunity, your investments flourish, and your dreams turn into reality. Together, we shall unlock the secrets to a prosperous future. Until our next adventure, let the magic of compounding be your guiding star to becoming a business champion.